Hi guys, it's me and Dyane Jones, and this is part of a collaboration with the lovely duo Deco Easy of Dyane and Janny and Krafty Leeny. So their challenge today was signs. I think Deco Easy is always going to have a challenge on the third Wednesday of every month, and it's with regards to signs. So I'm going to reuse one of my Christmas tree dollar signs, Christmas time Dollar Tree signs that was kind of like left behind, and I'm going to create something for Valentine's Day. I don't have a lot of Valentine's Day decor. I usually don't celebrate it, but this year I'm motivated. So let's get started. I already cut out this is some scrapbook paper that I just happen to have around the house, and I'm just going to go ahead and decoupage that with some Mod Podge. And of course, when I heard the challenge was signs, what brought to mind was that movie. I don't know if you remember that movie, Signs by M. Night Shyamalan. Love that movie. That's one of my favorite, like, kind of horror movies. It's a slow burn, but it does a good job. It says the secret ingredient is always love. I actually want to use this love for another sign. So I thought it would be cool not to have all this cooking stuff, but just to have the lettering. I don't know. What do you think? Let's see what we can do. Just want to make sure this is even. So this is more or less. Yes, I don't have a Cricut. Don't get feisty with me. They'll say, why won't you do something on the Cricut? Because I don't have a Cricut. I'm not privileged. Sorry. And a lot of us out there don't have Cricuts and don't have the wherewithal to get a Cricut and have really bad handwriting, like me. So we do what we can. did pretty well. From Christmas to Valentine's. Can't beat it. Spent $1, $2. The ribbon I already had, $3, maybe $3 max. And I still have another rose to use for another Valentine's Day project. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this inspired you to make your own Valentine's Day sign from whatever you have hanging around the house. And yeah, I know it's glossy. Who cares? It's for my house. It makes me happy. So you do what makes you happy. It's for your home, right? Or if it's for a friend. I mean, it's the best thing you can do for a Valentine's Day gift. Maybe for a neighbor, maybe for one of your lonely neighbors who's alone at this time and, you know, haven't been able to meet up with friends. It would be nice to leave something like this on their doorstep, knock and walk away and say, hey, just thinking about your neighbor. Wanted to give you a sign and let you know I care about you. So yeah, give them a sign, let them know that you care and that you love them too. I love you guys. Yeah, I do. For watching me. It's the sweetest thing to do is spend time with me. So thanks for spending this moment with me. Hope you have a great day. And as I always say, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you. And remember to live the adventure. And check me out. Come on back. I'd love to see you here again. Take care. Bye. Cute. I was going to make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
So you have a little thing there. Oh!